Careers 360 reporting live from CAT Examination Center. This is CAT Maha coverage, and the first session, the first lot of the examination has just got over. Right now, we have one of the student who just came outside of her examination. So, tell me about your name and your educational background.
I'm Anu Meha Gumar and I'm pursuing I'm in my last year of Bachelor's of Management Studies. From
How was your CAT examination, the overall experience?
overall experience, it was pretty decent. Like I attempted more questions than I expected. But the number of MCQ questions that we thought were, the number of non-MCQ questions were more than the amount that I was expected, yeah.
In each of the section, the questions.
Most, like a lot of questions were non-MCQ questions. I personally wasn't prepared for that. But rest of the sections were pretty much average.
Which was the difficult section, quant or DILR, or how was VS?
I think LR was relatively more difficult because if your LR is strong and if you find it difficult, then it means it was a difficult LR section. But otherwise, it was pretty manageable.
So, and how was the introduction of calculators? The calculators introduced for the first time in this year. So, how useful was it?
Calculators, because usually you just waste your time using the calculator, because you just have to keep pressing it again and again. So many a times, like in my case, the mouse wasn't working properly. So using a calculator was a burden only. So I preferred calculating it on my own only.
And how was the overall examination? How would you rate it? It was difficult, it was moderate, or it was easy?
It was moderate. Little few of the sections were difficult, but moderate to difficult, yeah.
And so what are your expectations? What do you expect? How much score you would be?
I don't really have any expectations as of now, but I just hope I get a good college. That's all.
And if 5 is being the most impactful, how would you rate this examination pattern? Should the IMs continue with this pattern, or they should change it?
The amount of time that we get in each section is pretty decent. The timing and all is fine, but the calculator doesn't solve any purpose. So calculator, either you should do something about that. Time allotment is fine.
Thank you, Anpriya. Thank you so much. And here you have our B School Almanac. So it has all the information about our B School IMs and the ratings. We hope that it helps to you, and all the best for your future. Thank you so much.